Today, we are crashing a top-tier pump head factory in Jiangmen. Let's go inside. Look at this massive warehouse. They ship worldwide and their production capacity is insane. But check this out. Their stainless steel pump head. Look at that gold brush texture. Pure craftsmanship. It instantly upgrades any soap or lotion bottle. And yes, they do custom colors and sizes for brands. Need high-quality pumps? DM me for the contact. Comment below what factory to visit next.